Morning and welcome back. And yeah, it's a brisk morning. It's a Friday morning in Perth. Meeting up with a whole heap of guys. Going to do a ride down the southwest. End up in Albany for the night, and then the second day I think we end up in Hyden. So it'll be interesting. Hopefully I get some good footage of some nice scenery and what old boys get up to when they're not around the cheese and kisses. So since I got up so early I couldn't have my usual breakfast, so I had to go and get a real healthy sort of a start. Shh, don't tell the cheese and kisses, alright? Alright guys.